In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Payoneer account to your Shutterstock contributor account, and we'll get it done in about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned contributor or just starting out, connecting your Payoneer account is crucial for ensuring your earnings from Shutterstock make their way safely and efficiently into your bank account. Let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is ready, go ahead and search for your Shutterstock contributor account. You can do this by typing Shutterstock Contributor Login into the search bar. Click on the appropriate link to take you to the login page. Next, you will need to log into your Shutterstock contributor account. Enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your mobile device or authentication app ready to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your account. From here, look for the Account Settings tab. This is often found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account Settings and then select Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your account details and settings. Now, you'll want to find the section labeled Payout Options or Payout Information. This is the area of your account where you can manage how you receive payments from Shutterstock. Scroll through the Settings panel until you locate this section and click on it. Within this section, you will see an option for choosing your preferred payment method. Select Payoneer. One of the benefits of choosing Payoneer is its global reach and ability to efficiently handle international transactions, which is especially beneficial for Shutterstock contributors worldwide. You'll now have the option to either connect an existing Payoneer account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. For those who already have a Payoneer account, you'll be redirected to the Payoneer login page right away. If you're connecting an existing account, simply enter your Payoneer login credentials. Payoneer will then review your application to verify everything is in order. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of this approval. It normally doesn't take too long, but the time frame can vary based on Payoneer's current processing times. By following these steps, you'll successfully link your Payoneer account to Shutterstock. This setup is essential for receiving your earnings without any hassle. It's a straightforward process, but if you do encounter any issues, be sure to contact Shutterstock support or Payoneer for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy contributing!